House Design Spot presents Black Pearl House by QB03 Architects. Black Pearl House is a wonderful example of how modern architecture can harmoniously blend with the tropical environment. The design team focused on highlighting the purity of form through the use of rationalist features such as right angles and precise decompositions, creating visuals that integrate with the natural environment's highlights. The goal was to reinterpret the tropical lifestyle of the area, using streamlined and contemporary lines that blend the interior spaces with the landscape. Located in the town of Cerro de San Juan in Guanacaste, Costa Rica, the house is surrounded by lush vegetation and offers breathtaking views of the sea. The architectural design captures the unique qualities of the area and maximizes the sea views from each of its spaces. Upon entering the house, one can feel the connection with its natural surroundings. Local materials were employed in this project to achieve harmonious integration between architecture and the surrounding nature. Without altering the natural aesthetics of the environment, the selection of these materials allowed for the seamless integration of nature and architecture in the environment without distortions. The terrace is designed to be a place where residents can relax and enjoy the connection with nature, promoting their physical and mental well-being. Its structure is intended to seamlessly integrate with the natural environment, creating a sense of spaciousness and freshness.